Today, we're going to be talking about Snapchat's very own pocket drone called the PIXY. Apparently, the mobile phone company has become restless after taking a 2 years hiatus from creating their very own smart glasses. I'll be sharing with you guys clips, images, and a very neat attachment that you can attach with this drone that makes it so unique and interesting. But first, I came across this very unique Instagram reel from Jared Polin about this SanDisk SD card holder. Apparently, SanDisk has made this very large SD card holder as a PR kit, and I find it so cool. I tried to search it online to look where I can purchase it, but unfortunately I can't find it anywhere. It's not even sold on their online shop. If you guys find it anywhere online, please let me know. I really got to have this. Now, if you can't afford the DJI Mini Pro 3, which just came out, which comes in about $1,000, you want to turn your head to this drone instead. This is the Snapchat's very own PIXY drone. Created by Snapchat, this little flying device can help you take interesting photos and videos. There are three key components that make up the PIXY: the front camera to film your content, the bottom camera sensor to gauge your flying altitude and navigate around, and the dial at the top of the device to power on or change flight modes. When you buy the PIXY, there's also this bumper carrying strap that you can fit the drone in and carry it around. That is so cool! In terms of its form, it's not only small, but it's also really light, coming at only 101 grams. Well below 250 grams, which means you don't need to register this as a drone, as this is still considered a toy. But funny how I think about Aladdin and his magic carpet when I think about this drone. It is flat and it floats. In terms of the camera's image quality, though it's not going to make your jaws drop, it still can shoot up to 2.7K video at 30 FPS and take 12 megapixel stills. It also comes with an internal storage that can hold up to 100 videos or 1000 photos. Now here comes some cons about the drone. The first con is the battery life. One of the batteries can only last up to 5 to 10 flights, and each flight can last only up to about 10 to 12 seconds. So don't expect to compete it in DJI's drone, as it's a different class altogether. As for whether this drone is water or weather resistant, it is not. It can't handle anything that actually involves water. As for the price, on their website there are two options. The drone itself comes in at $229 USD, while their flight pack, aka Fly More Combo, comes in at $249 with an extra battery. $20 for an extra battery is a no-brainer. Why do they even have that option? Even though I do not have the drone, one of the YouTubers that I follow, called iJustin, has did an unboxing video on it. The drone comes in an interesting translucent packaging and comes with a charging cable and of course the bumper strap. So will I be getting it? Probably not, as this drone is made for the casual and fun users, not so much for all those who want to focus on video quality. If anything, I'd rather pay $200 more to get the DJI Mini 2, which can not only shoot better photo and videos, but also in 4K. If you guys enjoyed this episode, do check out my playlist over here, which I compile all the episodes about all these interesting gadgets and gears. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video.